Welcome to my channel. Top 5 common Wi-Fi issues and how to fix them. 1. Slow internet speed. First fix, move closer to the router. If speed jumps, distance is the problem. Second fix, change your Wi-Fi channel in settings. Neighbors might be overlapping. 2. Wi-Fi keeps dropping. First fix, restart both modem and router, clears cache. Second fix, update firmware on the router. Old firmware causes random disconnects, I've seen it plenty. 3. Devices not connecting. First fix, forget the network on your phone or laptop and reconnect. Second fix, check max device limit in router settings, some cheap ones cap out fast. 4. Weak signal in rooms. First fix, reposition your router higher, like on a shelf. Signal travels better that way. Second fix, use an old router as extender to fill dead spots. 5. Router overheating or lagging. First fix, make sure router isn't jammed in a closed cabinet, let it breathe. Second fix, factory reset if it's lagging non-stop, clears years of junk configurations. Thanks for watching.